I didn't know what the hell was happening to me.
Yeah.
I'm not in school and college to fall in love like that, but it happened, man. She's amazing. श्वेता, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन मैडम को पड़ता है कभी कभी. So I have to take care of that. I don't want her to get affected by all this. I get worried about it.
I remember that one moment when she had come inside during the family week or something, and that one reaction on your face. Oh my god, that was beautiful.
Come on, don't make me cry. She won. She deserved to win. That's all. And I'm very happy for her. There are a lot of secrets in the house. There are a few places where you sit, you can see each and every patch of the house through the mirrors. And I know all of them. I just wanted to put this picture out because both of us are laughing in it.
Yeah.
Oh God. I talk about her on this show.
So today I have with me Aijaz Khan joining in. Of course, recently सबने इनको Big Boss में देखा और ना सिर्फ देखा, बहुत पसंद भी किया. And I'm just so glad that he's here with us today. Hi Aijaz, welcome. How are you?
I'm very good, Shweta. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much.
Of course, like I was telling you before we started, I really enjoyed watching you in Big Boss because we saw a very different side of you, like I was just telling you. But I want to know from you, how have things changed post Big Boss? How have things changed for you personally, professionally? Of course, we know you went inside the Big Boss house as a single man, and when you came out committed. So apart from that, how is everything else?
Firstly, Shweta, you didn't see a different side of me. You saw the real side of me.
Yeah.
Escape. Before that, whatever y'all or whatever the public knew of me was through my interviews or press interviews or something. That was something that we as actors want to portray.
Yeah.
लेकिन यहाँ आपको असलियत दिखाई. तो I'm just so thankful and so grateful कि जो भी मेरी असलियत थी वो आप सबको पसंद आई. That you all connected with it. Or how has life changed? Everyone's asking me that question, and I keep going back and thinking, wow, how has life changed? I never introspected about that yet. कैसे life change हुई है, कुछ बातें मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ. Started standing up for myself a little more. I don't go on the road and start fighting with people who have a different opinion from me. But in my head, I know if I need to interact with them, if they have a different opinion, I don't need to enforce it on them. But मेरे दिमाग में वो the wheels start turning कि मैं क्या बोलूँगा, कैसे बोलूँगा. Not only with people, just people I meet, with family, with friends.
Yeah.
I think पहले all of us as actors, mostly as actors, we become very people pleasing. Because as Shah Rukh once said, he wants each and every one that he meets to fall in love with him. So we end up like that. We want everyone to like us. But I have learned that everyone cannot like you. Not everyone. So it's okay. It's okay to have a different opinion. It's okay to lead a real life, a true life.
Yeah.
That has been my paradigm shift.
And of course, like I said, you went inside the house as a single man and you came out as a committed man. That was, I mean, we have to speak about Pavijaz, because I remember talking to Pavitra before she had gone inside the house, and how she was telling me about, being focused on the game and all of those things. And then we see a completely different side of her where, of course, we saw like a lot of aggression between the two of you also, but then we also saw that extreme passion towards the both of you, I mean from the both of you, and we saw that how you guys are standing up for each other, and this was very unexpected for the viewers as well. So what do you have to say about that?
For the viewers, I didn't know what the hell was happening to me.
Yeah.
I'm not in school and college to fall in love like that, but it happened, man. She's amazing. I mean, anyone who knows her will fall in love with her. She's very caring. She's, oh God, I can go on and on. I'm missing her so much. I haven't seen her today. I never thought that I would go in and I would make a bond or form a bond like this, as in I would fall in love or something like that. I always thought I'm here for the game, and हम एक दूसरे को याद भी दिलाते रहते थे कि if we end up as a couple or end up falling in love, we will end up sabotaging each other's game.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, she got evicted, and God, I died. I couldn't stay one day without her inside or outside. So man, I'm just happy. I'm just happy we met. I'm just happy that, regardless of what happened to us with the game, at least we found each other.
That is so beautiful. I remember that one moment when she had come inside during the family week or something, and that one reaction on your face. Oh my God, that was beautiful.
Come on. Don't make me cry.
Because you stayed in the Bigg Boss house, Ejaz, what is the one tip that is there to survive inside the house?
Be yourself.
Okay.
Just be yourself. Be yourself. Good, bad, ugly, be yourself. The audience connects with that. Don't put on pretenses. Don't put on an act. It will shatter. Be yourself, and you won't get anxiety attacks inside.
How lovely. Okay. What is the one thing that no one knows about the Bigg Boss house and only Ejaz Khan can tell us that?
There are a lot of secrets in that house. There are a few places where you sit, you can see each and every patch of the house through the mirrors. And I know all of them. There are a few places where you can sit, I think you can hear what people are talking across the hall in the corner, and I know all of them.
Dude, आप सुबह सुबह 5 बजे उठ के यही करते थे शायद?
नहीं, मुझे नींद नहीं आती थी. मैं सुबह उठ के काम करता था.
We used to see you because 8 बजे जब वो अलार्म बजता है, वो जो गाने के साथ सब उठते हैं, we used to see you somewhere in one corner of the house, rubbing and scrubbing and doing something or the other. So you were always.
I don't know. I would find some peace in it. Otherwise, most of the time, people are only trying to pick on you.
Yeah.
And you don't understand why. Now I probably understood that, okay, yaar, that's a part of the game and they have to do it. It's okay. Then I used to be very confused. That मैंने किसी का नहीं बिगाड़ा भाई, why the hell are you trying to pick on me? It was okay.
What do you? A very interesting thing that happened was जब, of course, when Rubina won, आपने एक image post की अपने Instagram पे of Rubina congratulating her, which was such a nice gesture, you know. इतने सारे contestants थे and everybody, I mean, आपको Rubina का थोड़ा सा on and off सा situation था, मतलब, you know, we wouldn't call it like a very nice and hunky-dory kind of a relationship, थोड़ा on and off था, but that was a very sweet gesture on your part to be congratulating her like that. What do you feel about her winning the show?
She won. She deserved to win. That's all. And I'm very happy for her. I'm a sports fan, yeah. I mean, I play football every other day. I mean, one team has to win, one team has to lose. You have to either win or lose. I'm very competitive that way. I don't like losing. Of course, I felt very bad. I couldn't go back in. I couldn't compete. I couldn't win. I couldn't be the top finalist. I couldn't switch off the lights of the house. I feel really bad about that. Yeah. But that doesn't take away the fact that I'm happy for her. It's okay. Someone has to win, someone has to lose.
Okay, and what is the most difficult thing about being in the Bigg Boss house?
Whoa, for me. For me was, it's a very weird place. Shweta, in this real world, you are a part of the power structure. You can exercise your power. But when you go into the Bigg Boss house, that gets taken away from you.
Yeah.
You're not a part of the power structure anymore. Anyone can say anything to you.
Yeah.
I mean, they couldn't physically hit you or something, but they can say anything to you and get away with it. And that used to be like, whoa, what had just happened? How could that person insult me? Beizati, izzat se baat karo, and all that, man. So I think that was one of the most difficult things for me to digest.
Yeah.
I'm still dealing with it.
Okay, so आपका और सलमान सर का बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग सा हमें वाइब दिखा. मतलब one thing about Salman sir is कि वो जो personal connect वो बना लेते हैं सबके साथ, with all the contestants. I think with you also because you've worked with him previously as well. और उसके बाद of course आप Bigg Boss के set पर उनके साथ थे. उनके साथ how has the entire journey been like for you? Like how has he changed according to you? What are the kind of things that you like about him? Tell me something about that.
Oh, he's very, very patient, and I didn't know this super analytical side of him. He analyzes each and everything when he says. और बहुत सोच समझ के तोल मोल के रिएक्ट भी उतना ही करते हैं जितना आपको जरूरत है. And it was very important for us to read in between the lines. He could tell us a lot of things. What the audience was thinking, what was right, what was wrong. Sometimes he would just come out and, punish us and admonish us, but he couldn't do that all the time. कभी कभी वो जो बोलते थे उसमें भी बहुत मतलब था, कभी कभी वो जो नहीं बोलते थे उसमें भी बहुत मतलब था. So what I knew of him, I mean, I used to be a dancer then. Yeah? तो हम मजे करते थे, इंटरैक्ट करते थे स्टेज पर, बहुत बहुत मजा करते थे. बट बिग बॉस हाउस में वैसा नहीं था. एवरी वीकेंड यूज्ड टू बी अ लिटिल स्कैर्ड के अब क्या बोलने वाले, क्या होने वाला है. एवरी टाइम ही यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग और टेक योर नेम. ही यूज्ड टू, हाँ भाई, you never know what will happen over there. But it was whenever he used to come, he used to talk to us, man, it was like a breath of fresh air all the time.
Right. Okay, lastly, I have this one very adorable picture of Pavitra and you. And I just want you to tell me a little about it, okay? Because it's a very interesting picture that you have uploaded on your Instagram, which is, okay, I'm going to try and show it to you. It's this one. What is this picture? And you've written a fun caption also. I love her and something. Please tell me something about it.
Oh, there was a glass lying next to the sofa, and I yawned and I stretched and it broke, and she reacted in a certain way. Then I said, "Shisha tha, dil nahi tha, toot gaya to kya hua?" It was just good fun games, man. I think it was on Valentine's Day. We spent the day together.
Okay, so for all the Pavijas fans out there, can we please just have an interview with the two of you as well? Because that is something that we
Inshallah
do.
Very soon, inshallah. Shweta, क्या हो रहा है ना? All our life we are living out in the public eye.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, there will always be irritants who will say mean things, and unfortunately, she gets affected, I get affected. So we are trying not to play out everything in the public, and we're trying to keep it a little more private now.
Yeah.
I think everyone should respect that, but soon we will give an interview together. Why not? For more adorable moments.
Of course, we definitely want that. But yes, I'm glad that Aijaz, I mean, now you're out of the Big Boss house. You've gone through so much. You know, जितने लोग आपको hate करते हैं या जितने लोग आपके लिए hatred spread कर रहे हैं, उससे कई ज़्यादा लोग हैं who love you. You know, I would really stress upon the fact that let them go to hell.
श्वेता, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन मैडम को पड़ता है कभी-कभी. So I have to take care of that. I don't want her to get affected by all this. I get worried about it.
Yeah.
I don't want her to fall sick because of these stupid things. Social media doesn't really affect me. I was born without a phone. We come from that generation.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we have to keep in touch with the times, and we have to be a part of this whole circus. Otherwise, I was better off, the way Keanu Reeves said, you love in private, you live in private, so that you can heal in private.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it becomes very difficult.
But I think that's perfectly fine. We're really looking forward to the two of you together, having both of you, and to more adorable Pavijas moments, which we're really hoping to, see, because we keep seeing those beautiful edits. We'd want to see some more. And thank you so much, Aijaz. It was so nice talking to you. And I just want to wish you all the very best for all your upcoming projects. I know of course, you were shooting for something, and a lot of things must be happening now. So I am really hoping कि हमें मौका मिले talk about other things, your work,
everything.
And thank you so much.
My pleasure. You made me smile a lot, Shweta. Bye bye. God bless.
Bye, Aijaz.